Let's take a more detailed look at the Nokia G60 5G. Now, I'm really excited about this product. From looking at the device, you cannot tell, but the back cover is actually made from 100% recycled plastic. Yep, 100%. The frame is also made from 60% recycled plastic, and you cannot tell the difference. There's no compromise to the strength or durability of the device. Now, we know that customers want to keep their phones for longer, and they want the peace of mind that their phone will have the latest experiences, be secure, and if anything goes wrong, can be repaired. Nokia's G60 5G has a staggering 3-year warranty, so you know if anything goes wrong, it is covered. It has 3 years of OS upgrades, which will take the device to 2025, and 3 years of security updates, so you know that your personal data, social media, and online shopping is secure. So, the Nokia G60 5G is sustainably engineered, good for the planet, and has the magic of 3, offering fantastic value and longevity.